If your one-for-all remote isn't connecting to your TV, don't worry. I'll walk you through 2 proven ways to get your remote working, starting with the quickest fix. First up, the fastest method. This one works with specific TV brands, so grab that brand list that came with your remote. Every TV brand has a number assigned to it, like LG might be number 3, but your brand could be different. If you don't see your brand listed, skip ahead to method 2. So, here's the first method: turn your TV on. Then, press and hold the setup button on your remote for about 1 or 2 seconds, just until the LED blinks twice. Release the setup button. Now press and hold the number that matches your TV brand and keep pointing the remote at the TV. When the TV powers off, let go of the button. If the LED blinks twice again, you nailed it. Hit the power button to turn your TV back on and test out the remote. If it works, you're good to go. Volume, channels, all the basics should respond. If not, don't worry. Let's try method number 2. This one works with almost any TV brand. You'll need the 4-digit code for your TV. Find it in the code list that came with your remote. Got your code? Awesome. Turn your TV on, then press and hold the setup button until you see that double blink again, then let go. Enter the 4-digit code using your remote's number buttons. The LED should blink twice again. Now, aim the remote at your TV and press power. If your TV turns off, you're all set. If not, try the next code listed for your brand. Some brands have a few options, so just test them out until you land on the right one. Once your TV responds, your remote is officially paired. And there you go, 2 simple ways to get your one-for-all remote working with your TV. For even more tips, check out the code search method in your manual. Thanks for watching.